Good morning, everybody. It's Christian L here with eatlikeanapex.com. Today, I'm going to take you to a place in San Mateo, California. It's the San Mateo County Fair that's happening, well, this past weekend and also today, because me, Shauna, and Sappy, we're going to do a little performance there. Also a special day, too, because, yes, it is my birthday, and so I'm excited to share with you the fair, food, and the fun. So stick with me, because I'm going to show you that right now.
I'm performing, yep.
You're performing? So this is Jack Sparrow.
Spareribs, actually.
Spareribs. Jack Spareribs. Spareribs.
Sparrow's the guy in the movies. I'm the one that smells like a pirate.
Appreciate it, man.
Sure thing.
Okay, take care.
Have fun.
So we are here at the fairgrounds, checking out some of the sights here, and there are a lot of food stalls here. As I said earlier, we're going to do some performance on stage here in a minute, so kind of excited and kind of nervous about that as well. But I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the food here, bring some food back, and kind of give it a try. So they got all kinds of food to choose from. I really don't know what to choose here. There might be a variety of other stuff here. They got barbecue, they have like Mexican food, they have pretzels, they got gyros, I got some cinnamon rolls here. The cinnamon rolls back here is something that's really tempting for me too. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the gyros. Yeah, so I think Greek food will be the option over here. The gyro vendor over here, it's Greek food, and so let's get some of that. All right, everybody. So like I said, I decided to go out of the many other vendors out here. I decided to go for the Greek food, and specifically the gyro. What I have today is the traditional Greek gyro, and he told me it comes with the beef and lamb combination with some tomatoes, some onions, and some of that type of Greek sauce. And I also got the fries too. I got a Greek style fries, again with that Greek sauce. Looks like feta cheese, maybe some pepper, and some other seasonings that make this I'm sure it's going to be a really delicious Greek cuisine. So I'm gonna go ahead and go right into the gyro first here. There we go. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this without getting messy, but I'm sure I'm gonna get some spillage. And I've got to eat this soon because Shauna told me that we're gonna perform in like a few minutes here. So, oh yeah, that Greek sauce definitely gives up some nice creamy flavor to it, coupled with that beef and that lamb. You have the tomatoes, you have the onions, and that pita bread. That pita bread is so soft. I'm gonna go in for another one here. That sauce really pronunciates this meal here. I'm gonna go ahead and try some of these fries now. All right. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so I see Shauna on stage. I need to go help her out. So.
Okay, how's everyone doing out there? Thank you for coming to eat here and listen to some shenanigans. This show is called the Shananigan Show, and I'm gonna need your help to sing along. Okay, so when I point to you, I want you to all say the word rock. You do. I like the way you move. I like the way you move. San Mateo County Fair. San Mateo County Fair. San Mateo County Fair. San Mateo County Fair.
How's everybody doing today? Let us attempt this harmonica song here.
But too many thoughts can come and go, leaving a trace of my own God-given race. Is it because my life is 10 years ago? I'll take me the ways and I'm praising for the sunny days. And like it's promised, it's true, only my faith can undo. How many chances I blew to bring my life to a new. Hair blue and unconditional, skies who had the tears from my eyes, not my lonely cries. My only being hope is for the hope who can't live for such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for doing cater to your own game? What a shame you shoot name for someone else is bad. You can't even say names in top of all the cameras and system that can make it to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes of coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you.
Thank you. Thank you. Powdered funnel cake. So I'm gonna get back to mission 1 here. These fries, I think it's that cheese that kind of gives it the highlight, the feta cheese. And they have that Greek sauce too. But really the feature here, aside from the fries, is that cheese. That feta cheese really goes well with these fries. Food's kind of cold though. I had to go on stage for a few minutes and that left the food kind of rendering cold. It's not as great because it's a little cool, but still good, you know? So if you ever have a chance to get some of this food here, you need to go and get it nice and warm. Because yeah, right now I'm tasting the fries. Having it cold is not the business. I'm gonna go ahead and close off this video here because I'm gonna enjoy time with the family. With that said, have a great day. Peace out, one love. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for more street food video vlogs from me. Take care. Bye. I'm about to leave.
How can I help you guys?
Milo's since 1970.
You're a double dog.
There's a lark. So I couldn't leave the fair without trying the corn dog here. As I said earlier, a lot of the food was really cold because you had performed. But now I have this nice, warm, hot, fresh jumbo dog from Milo's corn dog stand. So let me give this a bite here because it's needing to be bitten.
Hi, welcome to the fair.
That dog is almost the size of Savvy's head. Or actually it is longer than Savvy's head. That's about it. That's a blooper. Woo!